Here are 3 must-try Apple Vision Pro immersive games for January 2025. Number 1, Omnicards, card games with friends. From the developer, step into the future of card games with Omnicards, designed exclusively for Apple Vision Pro. Experience the most realistic hand-based interaction with virtual cards, allowing you to play any card game just as you would with a physical deck. Whether it's poker, solitaire, Hanafuda, or any custom game you love, Omnicards brings the authentic feel of shuffling, dealing, and playing right into your hands. Enjoy seamless multiplayer gameplay through FaceTime SharePlay. Connect with your friends in a virtual space that feels just like sitting across the table, sharing the same deck, and reading each other's expressions. Omnicards delivers an experience so lifelike you'll forget you're not in the same room. Join the holiday fun with festive decorations, in-game gifts, and 4 exciting new games that will make your gatherings unforgettable. Rediscover the joy of card games with Omnicards, where virtual meets reality and friends are never far away. Number 2, Loóna, cozy puzzle games. From the developer, embark on a journey with Loóna, relaxing spatial puzzle games offering intuitive mechanics of assembling 3D dioramas, transforming ordinary pieces into vibrant animated scenes that truly come to life. Why choose Loóna? Its soothing puzzle gameplay helps you unwind from hustle and bustle with intuitive puzzles, providing a serene escape from daily stress. Each level unfolds into a mesmerizing animated scene, delivering a satisfying sense of accomplishment with every completion. Experience a game celebrated for its innovation and exceptional user experience. Designed for people of all ages and lifestyles, whether you're a puzzle enthusiast or a casual gamer, Loóna Spatial Puzzle is easy to pick up and enjoy. You can also enjoy new puzzles added regularly to keep your experience fresh and exciting. Number 3, Immersive Bowling, strike and mixed reality. From the developer, step into the future with Immersive Bowling designed exclusively for Apple Vision Pro. Feel the thrill of the alley right from your living room with hyper-realistic graphics, authentic physics, and natural hand tracking that make every roll feel just like the real thing. Perfect your throw, master the spin, and aim for that perfect strike, all with intuitive gestures that mimic the real-life bowling experience. Immersive bowling is the perfect way to unwind, sharpen your skills, and chase that elusive perfect game. Future updates will bring exciting features like multiplayer mode, taking the fun to the next level and offering new ways to enjoy the game. Stay tuned for what's coming next. Bring the excitement of the bowling alley to your home with Immersive Bowling. Download now and get ready to roll your way to victory. Your perfect strike is just one throw away. And there you have it, 3 must-try Apple Vision Pro immersive games for January 2025. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. And thanks for watching.